Is your keto bread eggy?
So we have been through dozens of keto bread recipes, and some of this will depend on your palate, like how sensitive you are to the egg taste. I am not particularly sensitive, so I do not think that our keto bread recipe is eggy. But what about you?
I don't think it's eggy at all. So my keto bread recipe, you can find that on my website, Whole Body Living. If you just search for keto bread, it's the one that's wholebodyliving.com/keto-bread. That's the recipe we're talking about.
Yeah.
And it's cheese-based.
Right.
So it's really not eggy. It's not soft and fluffy like bread, but it makes an amazing grilled cheese sandwich.
Yeah, that's actually one of my favorite things to do with it, is just slather on some butter or maybe even some mayonnaise if I'm feeling like I want to do something different. And then put my favorite cheese in there and just grill up a nice grilled cheese. And because it's an or a cheese-based bread, it's kind of just doubling down on that cheesy goodness, right? I really enjoy it as a grilled cheese.
So it has a full flavor. I don't find it eggy at all. There are a number of bread recipes that are eggy. Like if you think about the chaffles,
yeah,
that are out there that are
egg,
cheese
right?
And egg, those taste eggy to me.
Yeah, and anything with like a lot of coconut flour is going to require a lot of eggs to deal with the coconut flour, and potentially could end up tasting very eggy.
So in our opinion, it's not eggy. So give it a try.